Hey everyone, it's Bobby from Dig Coding here, and today we'll be using Kabila's brand spanking new Launchpad to launch my own little NFT project called Little Bobos. So let's have a look. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell so you're notified every time I add a video. But if you're not, you'll know that I'm quite a big fan of Hedera, but actually I'm a real big fan of Kabila. So I used Kabilas, which is one of their features, their art feature, to create artwork and mint that artwork on Hedera. So this is the artwork that you can see on the screen here. You're not going to get blown away by it. I did it myself. I don't profess to be any type of artist at all. And you're also not going to get blown away by the utility just yet. There will be some utility added over time. This was not about cashing in. This was all about just showing you how easy it is to create artwork, to mint artwork, and to launch it on Hedera. It's quick, it's easy, it's cheap, and Hedera really is a viable option if you're looking for a DLT to create an NFT project. So this is all about imparting knowledge to you, to encourage you to use Hedera. That's what we're doing with Little Bobos. But I actually like them. I think they turned out quite well. They're nice and colourful, they're fun. So let's get them launched. Okay, so I'm on Kabila. To use their Kabilabs features, you do need a creator's pass. So they cost, what does it say? It used to be 69 bucks, I believe. I've already got one, right? So my creator's pass will last for 6 months, so I can use their features for 6 months, and then at which point I need to get another one. You'll have to buy one to do this, okay? So please go ahead and do that if you want to follow along. All of these cool little features here I've gone through in a previous video. Link to that will be at the top of the screen, but we will be using their Launchpad today. So let's click Launchpad. I haven't created a project yet, so I'll click Start Creating. Now, I do appreciate that my big head at the bottom left, right of the screen here is covering some of these buttons, but it just says continue here. Fixed fees for the Launchpad creation is 19 bucks. Not going to break the bank, so there's no dramas there. And each NFT sold on the Launchpad is 2.9% in terms of commission or percentage against the fee. So you need to be aware that there are some fees associated with this, but the guys at Kabila spent a lot of time and effort building this platform, so you know it's not for free. So let's go ahead and click continue. Now, if you've got numerous different projects, you might need to select it or search it. I've only got one. I've got Little Bobos, Generation 1, so I'll click on that. And then it'll ask me for an admin key. Now, when I created this project on Kabilas, it gave me a download of the admin key, the freeze key, and all of these different kind of secret keys that you need to keep to yourself, secure, out of the way of prying eyes. And you need the admin key to do this process. Okay, so I've got it on the screen here. I will blur this out, so don't worry. I'm not going to start pausing the screen. I'm going to dump the admin key in here. Yeah, okay. Well, I've got the admin key in that, and then it'll ask me for all of the serial numbers of the NFTs that I want to do. Now, you can collect, 5 of them if you want to. I'm going to do all of them. Okay, so I'm going to select all the NFTs and click Save. And now it'll give me a little summary. Okay, so it'll float through all of the artwork and say, right, okay, these are the artwork pieces of artwork. You've got the NFT data here, so a bit of description. There is a typo there, but don't worry about that. And then some of the attributes, okay? So when I was designing this, I was adding different attributes and setting up rules to make sure that certain layers were prohibited against other layers, things like that, okay? And what Kabilabs does, which is really cool, and then adds all of those attributes to the metadata and sends it off to IPFS, okay? All of my selected NFTs, you can see there's 208 of them. I'm happy with this. Let's click continue. It will say, look, until the collection does not sold out or until you decide to end the Launchpad, Kabila will own and control the NFT collection. Okay, so that basically means it's kind of custodian, right? So Kabila becomes the custodian of this project. I'm no longer the custodian because they changed the admin key and I won't have the access to do anything with it until it gets sold out or until I stop it on a Launchpad. So it's not a forever thing. It's just you need to give that kind of custodian ownership to Kabila to continue. I'm happy with that, right? So I trust the guys. Confirm. So you need a few things ready to do this. I've kind of prepared. I kind of went through some of these steps earlier. So you're going to need a banner. So I'm going to Click that and I'll come up where I've got it on the desktop. There we go. So I've got a little banner there. It looks okay. No dramas. I'm not too worried. Brand logo. Let me find it. What have I got? I've got a couple of projects here. This is a little bit clunky. I should have this saved on my desktop. Branding. Let's go with this one. Let's have a dig coding logo in there. So the brand name is Little Bobos. If you didn't know, my name is Bobby. So these are little miniature Bobbies. Bald head. They've all got wigs on, right? So that's the whole point of it. Brand description. So if you click on a little information there, it says a few words about the brand, mission, vision, value, proposition, story, things like that. Now you can go ahead and you can dump loads of text in there. I haven't got too much. I've just gone ahead and I've got, so I'll put it on the screen here. So I've got Little Bobos as Dig Coding's first Hedera NFT project. Each Little Bobo is a miniature ball man. What they lack in size, they make up in utility. Our aim is to help developers and creators transition to Hedera and make our ecosystem #1. Okay, so Launchpad name, Little Bobos Gen 1. Launchpad description. Okay, sorry about that. I didn't have anything for the Launchpad description, so I just knocked something up there. So Little Bobos Gen 1 is all about encouraging you to view Hedera as a viable option for your own NFT project. Launching NFTs on Hedera is quick, cheap, and easy. Brilliant. Okay, so we've got my Twitter, which is linked to Little Bobo's Twitter, and HTTPS. You know what I'll do for the website, I'll put the YouTube channel. There's no, it might not like that, but I have got a Discord, but there's not much going on in there in a minute. So continue. Okay, what we got? Payment token. So I haven't got this far in the Launchpad sort of run up, if you like. So normally when I do one of these tutorials, I basically do it in my own time, and I go over their steps again in front of the camera and mic to stop it from being too clunky. Haven't got to this bit. So let's have a look. So we've got a payment token. What's this? So choose the token to be used for payments, okay? Defaults to HBAR. So that is the native cryptocurrency on Hedera, okay? But it looks like you can select a whole bunch of different Hedera-based fungible tokens. Public mint price. So let's go 400. Public mint date. What should we do? What are we on the 6th? So do you know, I'll just go Friday. No dramas there. So max mints per account. No, yeah, we can have 2. Account to receive funds. Okay. I will just use my Kabilas Hedera wallet. Okay, continue. Launchpad fee conditions. So Kabila will charge 2.9% fee on each NFT sale plus a one-time fee of $19 for Launchpad. I agree to that. I'm absolutely fine with that. Define your Launchpad preset. Do you want to offer pre-sale access? What's this? Do you want to offer pre-sale access? With this option, you can offer pre-sale access, a whitelist to your Launchpad. I haven't got whitelist tokens or anything like that, so I'm not going to. So continue. That's what it will look like. Continue. So create Launchpad. Kabila will charge 2.9. We've already gone through that. So it'll be 273 HBAR. I've got that in my Kabila wallet, so no dramas there. Create Launchpad. It'll ask me for my password. Creating Launchpad. And if that is all there is to it, then that is just amazing. I mean, this is a self-service Launchpad. You don't need any other third party other than Kabila. It's not like you've got to get in touch with a call center or a contact email address and send information, and you've got to and fro. And this is very much self-service, and that's what I love about Kabila and Kabilas, because providing you've got everything arranged well on your local machine, images, layers, all that kind of stuff. You could quite simply, you could sit there on a Monday morning and have everything created, minted, and launched within a few hours, which is amazing. I think that's really, really good. So what have we got? 208. So how to get verified? Look, what have we got here? So I'm in the Launchpad. Collection info. So it's got the token ID, the name, the symbol, keys. Yeah. Total minted, max supply. So the max supply of this particular token was 555. The idea was I was going to mint a whole bunch of other artwork. I'm not going to now. So it was this generation one is 222, and there's 208 available, which is good. You've got some settings here that I can mess around with, and I've got go live. So if I click end Launchpad and reset private keys, I believe based on what I went through earlier on and a little pop-up message, that would actually give the ownership of this project back to me. It's currently with Kabila. Okay, I'm not going to click that. So I'm going to say just go live. As far as I'm concerned, we're good to go. Do you want to go live with your Launchpad? This will make your Launchpad visible for everyone. Right, okay, so the go live date currently is set in the future. So I'm not going to do that. So the public mint date is, do you know what? No, I'm going to go live. That just means it's visible to everyone. So confirm. Okay, your Launchpad is now live. So if I go into Launchpad, going to up and coming, little bobos. There you go. I mean, this is the first time I've done it, so I was expecting it to pop up. This is brilliant. So that's it. Okay, so if you like this video, please drop a like, add me a comment, add some notes. I love the feedback. It really helps me grow the channel. And also subscribe and click the bell because I'm always looking for more subscribers. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. That is the end of the video. Head over to Kabila, get yourself a little bobo. Like I say, it's all fun and games. That's what I'm trying to do here. No doubt over the years, little bobos will grow and evolve and become, you have a whole bunch of utility. So I'm looking at building games now and all sorts of stuff. So watch this space. But for now, it's just a little bit of fun. So let's see how it goes. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.